Yeah, thank you so much. And it's indeed a pleasure to have you all for this discussion on the topic, which is the financing of energy efficiency, a very, very important topic, not only for the Bureau, but almost every organization who is contributing to the energy efficiency as well as climate change mitigation. I'm also pleased to have representatives from different state agencies, the the financial institutions, the experts, and also delegates from key organizations who are actually engaged through various schemes in the energy efficiency financing. This particular topic of financing is actually going to assume more and more importance in this coming decade because every country, every policymaker, every department is going to push for the higher ambition. Every sector, every scheme will be having some kind of a target, and to achieve those targets, which are definitely not the business as usual, we are going to have more efforts required in terms of technology deployment, in terms of capacity building, in terms of even seeking latest technology on the low carbon side. So all these things will actually require a lot of investment uh, into new technology. We need to assess what is the kind of payback period, what are the technology costs, and then whether there is an economic sense or not. But most important, does it really fulfill our overall carbon reduction targets in every sector of economy? And this is not only the case of developing country like India, but equally applicable for other countries as well. So in this regard, the partners and delegates from OECD are also having a good experience on or success cases, success stories in how the energy efficiency financing can push forward deployment of low carbon technologies, improving energy efficiency, and finally getting the returns much more than what it was invested in within a period of reasonable time. So in this regard, we look forward for the discussion from all of you, opinion from experts, and also if any success stories can be shared, that will be really good for us. Finally, the representatives from state agencies who have joined here and can take a lot of lessons from today's discussion, and I'm sure they will come forward with more innovative models, schemes, and also sectoral deployment so that we can see the energy efficiency financing as a very effective initiative in promoting our energy efficiency and our climate change mitigation. So once again, thank you so much for joining here, and I'm really delighted to be part of this discussion and the workshop. I look forward for a very exciting discussion. Thank you so much. Over to you.